can take it? Yes, good boy, yes. Splash, take it. Yes. That's Mr. Splasher. Yes. Here, Splash, take it. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Look at him wagging his tail. Good boy. Okay, you want it again? Huh? Take it. Yes. Whoops. Well, you stopped it. I know, you pushed the buttons. Stop. Oh, this is Whoopi. Yes. Splash likes the metal vertical, don't you, boy? Oh, Party, and they like my camera too. They like my camera very much. No biting of the tails. Okay. Want to try this metal vertical again? Huh? No. Here. All right, we're getting too wild. Here, take this. Yes. Good boy. Hey, Danny. Danny is trying to get in on it. He's from the Kit Twister litter. Danny. He's the puppy that I kept. I should have put him in the crate. What are you doing? Oh, this is Hot Diggity. She's the one that's staying home here. If I can hold her still. There we go. Hey, Pop-Up. Isn't she pretty? Hey, look here. Where's the article? Oh, you have it. There's Whoopi. You want this? Yeah, you want that too, huh? See, Whoopi likes the metal article too. Yes. Yes, he does. I don't know what that thud was, but... This is Hot Diggity. She's staying here. Aren't you, girlie? Yeah. See, we're staying here. Can we get a side picture? Nope, you're too wiggly. That's not gonna work. Okay. What's going on over here, guys? Oh, you're not gonna get the camera. Danny, get off of there. Danny. No, I'm not busy at all. How about you guys? Got puppies? Here, you want this? You take it? Yes, good girl. Everybody takes the metal article. Yeah. I bet they won't give it up. Huh? You give? Ow, thank you. No, you don't want that. What about you, Jerry? Can you take the metal article? Here you go. Hot Diggity. Give. She won't give it up. Uh-huh. stop. Let me have that thing. Yeah, I took it. And when somebody else did. Here, Jerry. Jerry. Here. You take it? Yeah, good boy. Jerry took it. Now Ben wants it. Let's see if your brother wants it. Can you take it? There you go. Ben's off with it. Who else? Splash, you've had it. Did Sunny take it? I don't know, but my knees are getting sore. Come here, Sunny. Here. Yeah, say Sunny will take it. No, you don't want it, silly girl. Here. Here. Yeah, good girl. You don't need the paper. Who didn't have the article, the scent article, huh? Ben, I know you had it. You can have it again. Not even 8 weeks old. Yeah. Okay.